Hey, I'm new to OneNote and I need help setting up a new notebook. Can you show me how to do it?
Of course. The first step is to open OneNote and click on File in the top left corner.
Okay, I see that. What's next?
Next, click on the Notebook Name field and give your notebook a name that makes sense to you.
Got it. What do I do now?
Click on the Create Notebook button.
That's easy enough. Can I add sections and pages to my notebook?
Yes, you can. To add a section, click the plus sign along the top. It will create a new section for you.
Great! Is there anything else I should know?
Yes. To add a page within a section, click the Add Page button over here on the right-hand side.
I see. This seems pretty easy. I'm going to get working on my notebooks.